How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. This is video 3 of the Nathan Chem MTV Cribs edition, and I'm sure this is the one a lot of you guys have been waiting for. We're going to be going over his trucks, both of the Cummins. It's been a while since they've been featured on the channel.
Oh yeah.
And we're excited to bring them back. So I guess we'll start with the 3rd gen. Pop open the garage and we'll check it out. There she is. It's been a minute, boys. Whoa.
Anybody wants a BB shot duck decoy that can be signed from the Chem boys, let us know. I'll send it to you.
Maybe that'll be our next giveaway.
Yeah.
I'm sure somebody would like that.
A useless duck decoy.
It would sink if you throw it out in the water. But yeah, guys, there she is. The 3rd gen. It's been a minute. Is it just sitting pretty in the garage, or you been enjoying it at all?
Drove it a few times after the 814 meet, and
That was over the summer.
yeah.
But now that you stole Pauly D's F-150,
Definitely the daily, that's the daily.
this thing's just been sitting pretty in the garage.
Yeah, got some big things planned for it as soon as the weather warms up, because the shop isn't heated in here. I think I'm gonna get some kind of jet heater or something here eventually, but
We did do a shop tour. I know this might be some of your guys' first time seeing the place. The first video we did in this series, we jumped out here and did a broad overview of the house, Nate's new place, and we jumped in the garage a little bit and went over all of his farm animals and pets and stuff and whatnot. But this video is dedicated to the trucks. Anything like wrong with it, or are you just not really driving it right now?
nothing's wrong with it. Just
Didn't
winter, salt scares me. So
Yeah. I mean, for a truck this nice, I wouldn't want to rip it in the wintertime either and trash it.
Yeah.
Best to preserve it. Didn't you say your AC went out at one point?
yeah.
Or did you get that fixed?
No, I did not get it fixed. It's iffy. It works sometimes. Like it's a 50-50 shot really. So that's,
So just need a recharge, or is something wrong with it?
who knows?
Didn't really look into it yet?
Nah, not really.
I mean, it's not that important to keep it running. It's just a comfort feature.
Yeah.
So Nate, you able to fire the 3rd gen up? Or is it?
As long as battery ain't dead, we'll make it happen.
We'll give it a shot.
Probably hasn't been started in, 2 months probably.
Well, hopefully it fires. This is the main point of the video. The people are itching to hear it. It's been a while.
I believe in it. I think it'll fire.
You gonna give it a crank?
Yep. Ready for it now?
Yeah. Sure, the people are sick of hearing us talk.
Might as well get to the back. That's where the.
Yeah, I don't want to. You got earplugs?
Oh come on! That's where the party is back there, not up here.
Hold on. Jeez, you put me in the corner back here, right where the exhaust is. Go ahead. Of course, now I'm gonna breathe that in. And a big plume of black smoke comes right up in front of me. That's why you put me back there.
That's where the music is.
It fired.
It's Cummins. Come on.
They don't die. Why don't you pop open the hood?
I can do that. So I did get the tune fixed also.
So you did get something done on it.
That's it. There's high idle.
think I heard that tune yet.
Gonna go back there.
Sounds like a farm tractor.
That's right. Locomotive.
That was fun.
That's right.
Sure, a lot of you guys have missed hearing that run. Now I just gotta let the shop air out. Close her up. Well, guys, that'll do it for the 3rd gen. Now we're gonna jump on to the 2nd gen. The shop's still full of smoke in there. Breathing that's in probably more dangerous than catching COVID. That'll really mess up your lungs, but we'll do it for you guys. Hope you enjoyed hearing the 3rd gen run. It's been a minute.
That's right.
Always looking forward to filming that truck no matter what. But now we're gonna jump on to something that you guys have been itching for. It's been a long time for this one too.
2G.
2G, big chungus, cat stack. We will try to fire this one up too. How long has it been since this one ran?
Probably about the same, 2 months, something like
I
that.
thought you said 6.
6?
Yeah.
Nah, it's been, since I drove it, it's been about April, but
No.
I don't know. It's definitely been a few months at least.
But before we fire that up, we'll do a broad overview of this truck too. So you did get it back. It had a big transmission issue. Got it back, drove it for how long?
Probably about a month I drove it, running perfect, and then had the slam on my brakes. Guy pulled out from stop sign in front of me, blew the brake lines, and then I drove it probably 4 miles home just with using the exhaust brake when I got it home. Definitely helps being a manual, just putting and doing the exhaust brake.
So it was off the road for like close to a year from that transmission issue. Finally got that fixed. It was a big involved process. How long was it at the shop? It was also pretty expensive to get that done.
Yeah, it was done in probably 9 months, and then I was sort of shocked on the transmission bill, so I had to, it wasn't what I was expecting.
Yeah.
It definitely wasn't what I had saved, so I had to let it stay at the shop for about an extra 2 months while I racked up some cash.
But she's finally home. He got it back from having the transmission issue, enjoyed it for about a month, and then had the brake line go out. And now she's just been sitting here because it's cold and really don't feel like messing with it out here, right?
Yep.
So other than that, you do anything to it or just a lawn ornament?
Lawn ornament, not a thing. A weed whacker on it, make it look good for the people driving past.
Yeah.
That's it.
Sitting pretty in the driveway. As you can see, nice view. People driving by. Sure, those Alcoas shine bright in the sun.
They need a polish.
Yeah. We'll get that cleaned up here. Maybe we'll do a detailed video on it whenever she's finally back on the road and you can rip her, take it to some shows, right?
Yep.
But I guess other than that, there isn't really that much of an update with this truck, right?
Nope.
I guess we'll fire it up and let her rip a little bit. Stationary.
Yeah. That's all you're getting.
Too bad we couldn't roll it up the street here and fill the valley with like a locomotive train. All that black smoke pouring out of there. But it'll be fun firing up here and let's get to it. This will be a pretty decent cool start, right? About 20 degrees out here. Hasn't been fired in a couple months. So should be a good one. All right, fire up. that doesn't deserve a like, I don't know what does. Let's let it warm up a little bit and hit some revs.
A little bit. We'll see you guys in half an hour.
Eventually.
I was like, what's happening? Is that the exhaust brake? I guess you can shut her down now. Had your fun.
Yeah.
Fill the valley like a train.
A little bit.
Woo doggy.
Woo doggy.
Haven't heard that in a while. Well, guys, there it was. A nice little cold start on the second gen. And I thought that thing put out some smoke. And I said, COVID ain't got nothing on that. But this thing, geez, that's the super variant. That's enough to put you in an iron lung.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really nice to get the Cummins back on the channel. It's been a while, and looking forward to getting them back on the channel again with modding them, doing some work to them, maybe when the weather gets a little warmer.
Yeah, a bunch of fun stuff coming for the third gen especially. Got a good list lined up here.
You got
as the weather breaks.
Yeah, he's got a nice little parts list, work list that we need to check some items off of, and we'll be sure to keep you guys updated.
I said it last year, I'll say it again a year later. It's a horsepower list.
Yeah, got a little build in the works. I'm not sure if he's teased anything before. He might have mentioned something here or there, but if he did, go back and watch the other videos. We got a whole playlist on both of these trucks, actually. Keep you guys entertained for the evening. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Please subscribe if you're not already. And we've got a bunch of other cool videos in the works, like I said. But on that note, we'll just catch you on the next one. Always accelerate and don't look back. See you next time.
See you, fellas. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Closing up shop.
Yep. Those are the Dooley brothers.
Those are the ones that sleep under the truck.
Yep. I know they want to sleep in here.
Well, it's probably warmer in there. They want to sleep under the third gen. Well, you pick one up and try to get them to go under there.
Yeah, you can't get them. You can't pick them up. Watch, they'll run.
What? So they roost up under there?
Right on top of something.
Oh yeah, you can see they've been
Pooping up there.
yeah.
That's like the third time I sprayed it off. So we're just giving up on it until I start driving the truck again. Yeah. They own it for now.
They get some nice grease on their feet.